Hello once again, YouTube viewers. This is James with your Microsoft Access videos. We are still continuing the reports, and this time round we want to look at the last option with which you can create a report, which is the blank report. Access creates a blank space for the user to start designing their report with alignments for the field already set for the user. In the report design option, you saw that the fields were not aligned. We had to go to arrange and you choose either stacked option or any other option which you could use in order to organize the fields, because they came in a disorganized way. With blank report is almost the same as report design, but this time round the report comes when you insert the fields, they will be organized. Let us try it and see. So we go back to our database, click create, then we go to blank report. It will still ask you to add the fields, as you can see here, for example the test result fields. So if I come and double click here, you will notice that the fields come organized. When I double click, double click, double click, double click, double click, and double click. We also said you can also drag them and they will still give you same story. So this is how your report is. We can add a title to it, maybe test results report. We can always center this. I'll borrow my option again and make it white. I can also click here to set the alignment for this. Can perhaps use a darker green and set still my fonts to white. I can center them, try to bold them, and there I could have my report. Something of that sort which you can use. There are other options you can try to put on your report as you work with the report. As you can see in design, you can decide to add date and time somewhere. So when I click on it to ask me which option I want, maybe if I want this, then I can say okay. You notice how it will adjust it there. I could decide to add page numbers, maybe at the bottom, in the center, or whichever side you want, maybe the right, but let's leave it at the center. Say okay. I could further decide to put a logo. I click logo, go to my desktop, browse for my logo, have a logo here. Then that is how I wanted my, for example, if that's what I wanted my report to be like. Remember, if that happens, you might want you might get this information going back to another page, which might not look very nice. So after having done that, you can do that. I can also decide to take away these grid lines from this. So when I go back to format, can come to shape outline, and I say I don't want color in this. Even the shape fill, we can say no fill. So you notice that the lines have disappeared, and if I go to home view, report view, this is how my report will look. Quite interesting and nice, isn't it? So basically that is how we create a report using the blank option, then which you can later edit to a user preference. So thanks for watching. Those are the videos on reports in Access. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next videos.